let's be real. Loom videos get the job done, but they're kinda plain. If you want your recordings to actually stand out, Tella is the tool you want to check out. And sure, there are tons of screen recordings out there. CapCut, Canva, Screen Studio, Camtasia, name it. But here's the thing. Tella is the only one that makes your life easier and gives you the output that's already beautiful, polished, and ready to publish. Fast editing, beautiful layouts, all the things that I'm looking for in creating a video content for all my video content, especially for YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, everything. It makes my life so much easier. That's why I'm already using it for more than a year already. And in this video, I'm gonna show you why I stick to Tella and never look back. Let's go. All right, so first things first, let's compare the pricing of Loom and Tella, since Loom is the Tella's best competitor. So let's see how they differ in prices. So as you can see, Tella already increased their pricing since they already released a lot of features that will make your video content and editing faster, easier, and amazing. As you can see here, Tella, if you pay yearly, and if you use my link to get 30% discount, you'll only get Tella for $13 per month. So you get unlimited videos, unlimited recording duration, upload your own clips, edit videos with AI, instant sharing, 60 FPS, frames per second, export up to 5 minutes, 4K export, and team workspace. So you can also try it for 7 days. So you get to decide if Tella is for you. And then here for premium pricing for yearly, and if you use my link, so you get a $34 per month price for the Tella Premium. So you get here everything in Pro, custom branding, custom domain, 60 frames per second, and more. All right. So if we compare this to Loom, so you can start for free with Loom. So you have 25 videos, 5-minute screen recordings, unlimited meeting length, transcriptions in 50 plus languages. You can comment and have emoji reactions. So the starter plan, they are focused on the meeting or the video communication within Teams, but you cannot export, you cannot edit these 25 videos. So it just stays there, right? So if you want your video recording tool to become content so you can publish and repurpose it for your social media channels, you cannot use Loom for free. So that's the difference if you use Tella, because with $13 per month, you can already have unlimited videos and you can export that recording and make it a video content for your social media channels. Okay, so now let's compare the business plan. So here you can have here unlimited videos, unlimited recording time, basic waveform editing, remove Loom branding, upload and download videos. This $15, if you compare it to Tella's $13 per month, so Tella has everything, edit videos with AI. It's just the custom branding here. But the $13 per month is way more. I'm using the Pro plan, and that's really enough for me to create YouTube content. So compared to Loom, it's just basic waveform editing. You cannot customize the layout, zoom in, zoom out, nothing like that. So if you can see, Tella is cheaper compared with Loom with the business plan. And here for the Business Plus AI plan, you can have audio video enhancement, advanced editing. So with the Tella Pro plan, you can already have advanced editing here. Video variables, auto meeting notes. So that's Loom's Business Plus AI, and then Enterprise, that's customizable. All right. So that's how the pricing differs with Loom and Tella. All right. Now I'm going to show you how Tella works. So at first, you can sign up with Tella for free. And the first thing that you need to do is to record the video. So just click record, the red button. You can cancel, you can pause, you can restart, and then you can create multiple clips by hitting the red button so that you can create a lot of clips. So multiple clips, just like TikTok, okay? And then, so once you've recorded, just click preview, and then you will be redirected into this dashboard. So here, this is the dashboard, and you can change the title, change the size here. So you can choose from landscape, portrait, and square. And then here, the studio voice, it will enhance the audio quality and remove the background noise. And then here, edit faster. Use low resolution file when editing for better performance. So this, let's edit faster. So just wait for that, and then it will avoid the lag. All right. So that's the setup button. All right. So it's already converted into a low resolution file, so we can edit faster. And then here is the cut button. So here you can find mistakes, remove buffers, remove silences, and remove filler words. So as you can see, there are a lot of spaces here that should be removed. So let's remove the buffers. As you can see, it's already removed. And let's remove the silences. So I choose faster because I speak fast. So let's remove the silences. As you can see, there are no more spaces and it's already removed. All right. So you can also find mistakes. So it will analyze the transcript and check the mistakes. They find the errors. So it's easier for you to edit and scrub through the timeline. So here, that's the magic. And in this video, I'll show you how to use step-by-step model of how e-commerce brand can turn. All right, so check. All right, check. All right, so that's it. This clip is already edited. It's already cut. It's already scrubbed. So within a minute, it's done. So it's really, really fast, right? So that's how the cut tool works. All right, so next is a zoom tool. So you can automatically generate zoom. So it's moderate, it's subtle, moderate, intense, deep zooms, frequent, and short duration. So let's go with moderate, and then let's generate zooms. So did it apply? Generate zooms. So I think, all right, so it did not generate zoom because it did not detect a mouse click or a mouse movement. Okay. So you can also add a zoom manually. So for example, that one. So it will zoom in like that. Down. All right. So that's the zoom tool. All right, so now my favorite part is the layout tool. So as you can see, if you press layout, you can choose from a lot of layouts here: split, camera, and screen. So split tool, you can choose this. Okay, let's start here. Choose that, this one, whatever you like. So here, if you want to cut it, add layout, put it there. Here, add layout and put it there. So that's how easy you can change and customize the layouts of your videos. It looks more engaging and not boring, just like Loom, right? So Loom only has this limited layout. So it's very plain. So this is why I love Tella, because I can customize the layout without extra effort. So if you want to try Tella, to use my link now, and it will make your content creation more easier and faster. So whether you're a marketer, a content creator, a YouTuber, no need to hire extra people to edit videos for you. So you can just do it, and Tella can help you with its AI video editing tool, and it will make your life easier. But if you really, really love Tella and you don't have the time to edit your videos, you can add your team members, or you can hire a video editor to edit your videos for you. So here's how. You can just click add here. So you can enter a name or an email address. So you can add a video editor here, and he will edit videos for you. So once you've added, it will become a workspace, a collaborative editing workspace. So the team member can edit, record the videos, and you can share the videos collaboratively. So it will really, really make your life easier, a lot easier. So everything you can do with Tella, so you don't need to subscribe to another tool, expensive tool, for you to publish a content that's really, really beautiful, right? So that's the collaborative editing feature of Tella. You can add as many teammates as you like. All right, so now let's go with the background. So here you can choose backgrounds. So it will make your video more engaging, like moving backgrounds or color. If you have a brand color, you can use it as the video background. So all of your video content are consistent, right? And now the border, you can also change the shape of your border and the style like that. All right. So that's the background and the border. Okay. And now let's go with the subtitles. So subtitles are very, very important. So you can just toggle on this, and you can choose from 5 different subtitle styles. So this is my favorite. And here you can change the position, the background color, the text color, the size. So if you want small, medium, or large, there. You can change it there, and then you can edit your transcript here. If there are misspelled words, you can edit it here, all right? So that's how subtitles work. All right, so now the adjust button. So here you can crop your video, remove this. You can click auto crop or just remove this manually. So you can just crop 3 layouts and it will look as clean as this. All right. So, and then the camera frame, if you are not centered in your recording, you can just adjust the framing here and you can click apply to all clips. Okay. So that's the adjust button. So redo if you want to redo all the changes that you've made. Okay. So once you're happy, you can just download your video. You can download the video or separate clips or raw recordings if you want to record it in a separate video software. I usually download my video as one. And then if I want to repurpose my video for TikTok or Shorts, I change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and then download it again as separate clips. And then you can choose 4K resolution and 30 FPS since this is more than 5 minutes. And then you can start export. All right. So you can also share this video through a single link, or you can share this to your workspace members. You can set a password and you can also embed this video into your website or anywhere you want. So you can share it as email. You can just copy code. You have a message, watch on tella.tv. And then you can also share it as a GIF or embed it on your website. Okay, so that's how powerful Tella works. You can use it for video communication, embed it anywhere, or download and export it as a beautiful video content. So everything you need as a founder, a marketer, a video content creator, everything is already here with Tella. So you don't need other apps or expensive apps like Adobe, Premiere Pro. So Tella is enough for you to publish your amazing content. Okay? All right, so one amazing feature of Tella is when you preview your video, it looks like this. So it shows here how many minutes, the duration, and can also generate chapters. So what I do is I generate chapters and then I copy it to my YouTube description, the timestamps like this. So it's ready. So you don't need to scrub the video per minute. It's already here. And here they can comment. You also have here the transcript. So once you share this video as a Tella link, the viewer can read, can comment, can save, can look at the chapters. So they have an idea of what this video is. And then here you have viewing preferences where you can display subtitles to viewers by default, allow comments. You can also toggle that off if you don't want to allow comments. Show in this video as published. View counts. Allow videos to download. No, I don't want to. All right, so that's it. That's how Tella works. So now you've seen how Tella works, and it's up for you to decide if you want to try it for free for 7 days or use my link for 30% off and create amazing videos. So don't forget to check out the description section for the 30% off and start creating videos right now. If you have more questions, just comment down below and I'll answer all of them. My name is Novi and I am a freelance startup marketer and I've been using Tella for more than a year already. And I'm sure that if you use it too, you'll have no regrets. So comment down below if you're already using Tella or if you are editing like Dea or Ali Abdal, the easier way. So you don't need to hire a video editor just to edit like Dea or Ali. Just use Tella and you will save hundreds of dollars. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till the next one. Bye.